Hi there, I'm back with another tutorial, and this time I'm going to show you how you can create a face stretch effect in Photoshop. So let's get rolling. I'm going to start off by making a copy of the background by pressing Ctrl+J. Now take the smudge tool, and for this tutorial I'm going to be using this brush called Sample Brush One that I've downloaded. I'll put the link in the description below. And now resize the brush according to the size of the face. I'm gonna turn it a little bit. Okay, that looks good. Now take the pen tool and just create a path around the subject. Now take the brush, and now I'm gonna sample from this area. And now just paint around the path. And now I'm gonna sample from his beard and make it a little bit smaller, and do the same, paint around the path. Now take that pen tool again and right click and choose stroke path. Make sure smudge is selected, and now click OK. Now right click again and choose delete path. Take the eraser, and I'm gonna remove these areas. Make it a little bit smoother and remove these areas. Decrease the opacity to have a better look. Make it harder and remove these areas. Increase the opacity again. Now have a look, it's already looking okay, but I'm gonna add some punch to it by using levels. Now I'm gonna keep the shadows to 14 and the midtones to 0.94 and the highlights to 246. Go to blue. I'm gonna keep the shadows to 17 and the midtones I'm gonna leave it to 1 and the highlights to around 251. That looks good. Now I want you to have a look at this. This is the before and this is the after. Hey, hang on, just click on that subscribe button and turn on notifications, and if you learned something new, then click on that like button. Thanks for watching.